we got a 2011 Hyundai SantaFe 4-liter front-wheel drive, and we're gonna be replacing the valve cover gaskets from the top. Another video. So this video is going to be focusing on the valve cover, spark plugs, and the oil pan. Stay tuned and I'll let you know what you need. Up here, very simple spark plugs. The coils are held on by 10 mils. The actual spark plug is a 5/8, and the valve cover is held on by 10 mils all around. And just disconnect this hose and remove this harness for the coils, and pop up the valve cover, clean your area up, put in your new gasket, and that's pretty much it. So let me get to it and show you how it's done. There it is. Very simple, very quick. This engine is really clean, and so all you need is a 10 for the valve cover, 10 for the coil packs, a 5/8 for the spark plugs, and that's pretty much it. So now let's go down and do the oil pan. So we got the oil pan down here. It's all around is 10 mils. Okay, the drain plug is a 17. To remove the oil pan, other than the 10 mil all around, you're gonna have this bracket for the AC compressor. It's held on by 12 mils. Okay, one here, one here, one here, one here, and then you're gonna have two 12s right here holding the compressor to it. This one for some reason only has one, because they must have forgotten to put the other one on there. Anyways, put this 12, take out this 12, take out those 12s, and then the 12 mils of the oil pan, and then it will come down. Okay, so let me take this out. When the bracket comes down, you're gonna have two 12.13 mil heads right there. Okay, and then that'll be the last two, and then the oil pan can come down. The bolt that's here that was missing was because it was broken, so I had to cut off a piece from the bracket like so, pretty much cutting off that lip. Okay, cut that section off because the bolt was broken and then the bracket came down. If that was not the case, in your scenario, remove both of these bolts, those 12 mils, and then the one that's up top, so the compressor can move to the side, then the bracket will come down. Okay, so there it is. We got our oil pan back in there. We got the oil pan gasket and a little bit of RTV for the imperfections, and yeah, that's about it, guys. Whenever you're tying this, make sure that you don't over tighten, because the gasket can pop. Okay, so that's where a lot of people there made their mistakes at. Whenever you see it come out from the lip just a little bit, that's where I usually stop at, and it always works. So anyways, you got this, you can do it. If you got any questions, just comment below and I'll get you those answers, and check out the other video. There are different ways to do this. One is to remove the entire knuckle out, then you can have access to the ball joint, replace it there, put the knuckle back in there. Another way is to remove only the control arm. In case you're doing the knuckle side, okay, the center bolt is a 32. You have a 17 mil head bolt with a 19 nut, and on the side right here, the actual ball joint is a 17 mil head. Okay, so, and that bolt just goes across and it comes out. If you're gonna remove the lower control arm, which is what I'm gonna do here, you have a 19 mil right here at the bottom, a 19 at the top nut. Right there, you're gonna have a 19 head bolt, and then the nut is another side. Remove this bolt, the 17 goes across, knock it down, and then I'm gonna replace it out here and put it back together. Okay, so let's do that. So very simple, guys. Just remove one bolt, the other bolt. So these two are 19, this one two are 17, which is the one from there, and then just hammer in a small wedge, and then the lower control arm will pop off. Okay, give it a good smack. There it is, just like that. Okay, so you can either replace the entire control arm or just replace your ball joint that's damaged. Okay, for here, very simple, you know, just remove that the collar that's there, take it out with like a needle pliers, and then just use your press to put your ball joint in there, and we will call it a day. Okay, so simple as that. Very quick. So simple as that, very quick. This will come off in 2-3 minutes. Okay, if you do it the other way, it is a little longer, but same thing, same science. Cool. So there it is, guys. Our control arm is back in. Again, it's a 19 right there, and a 17 right here. Okay, that's our new ball joint right there. So anyway, there it is, guys. Just very quick and easy way to remove your lower ball joint is just take down your lower control arm, and it will be much easier than removing your knuckle, yada 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 yada. Okay, so see you on the next one. You got this, and please like and subscribe.